In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Facebook profile link. This is a simple process that takes just a moment, and it works on any modern web browser. First, open your preferred browser, Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox, and go to facebook.com. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your account so you can access profiles. Using a browser is helpful here because you'll be copying the link directly from the address bar at the top of the window. Next, navigate to the profile page you want to share. If you're sharing your own profile, click your name or profile photo at the top of Facebook to jump straight to your profile. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your cover photo, your profile picture, and tabs like About Friends and Photos. If you're sharing someone else's profile, use the search bar to find their name and click into their profile page. The key is to be on the main profile page, not in settings or a specific post. Now, look up to the address bar. You should see a link that looks like https://www.facebook.com/username. On some profiles, you might see a slightly different format with numbers. Both versions work. Click once in the address bar to highlight the entire link, then copy it. On Windows, press Ctrl and C. On a Mac, press Command and C. You can also right-click and choose Copy if you prefer. The important part is that you're copying the full URL exactly as it appears when you're on the profile page. With the link copied, you can share it anywhere you can paste text. Open an email, a text message, a chat app, a document, or a social post, and paste the link using Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on a Mac. When someone clicks that link, it will take them directly to that Facebook profile. What they can see on that page will depend on the profile's privacy settings, so if you're sharing your own profile and want more visibility, make sure your public info is set the way you want it. A quick tip. If you want a clean, easy-to-read link, copy it from the main profile page before clicking into specific sections like photos or friends. That way, you'll avoid extra characters in the URL. And remember, this same approach works whether you're sharing your profile or someone else's. Just make sure you're on the correct page before you copy. That's all there is to it. Open Facebook in a browser, go to the profile, copy the address, and paste it wherever you need. Simple, reliable, and done.